Transferring a project between video editing tools and got an AAF file in the exchange. This is a professional media interchange format used across the entertainment industry. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import and work with these advanced authoring format files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the AAF archive, even if it can't fully extract it. AAF files are advanced authoring format, interchange files, used to transfer multimedia composition data between professional video and audio editing applications. They contain timeline sequences, edit decisions, clip references, transition effects, and metadata, enabling project exchange between tools like Avid Media Composer, Adobe Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. AAF files use a structured binary format based on Microsoft's Structured Storage Compound Document specification. They store a hierarchical object model of composition, mobs source, mobs timelines, tracks transitions and effects with embedded or externally referenced media essence and descriptive metadata following the AAF object specification. Generally, AAF files are associated with Avid Media Composer, developed by Avid Technology. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows handles video previewing easily, but professional editing requires feature-rich applications. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the AAF file and hit Open With. Test Avid Media Composer if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If the AAF file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, importing an Avid Media Composer. Open Avid Media Composer and use File, then import to load the AAF file. Media Composer reads the timeline structure, edit points transitions, and clip references, rebuilding the sequence in its editing environment. Relink offline media using the relink function if source files are stored in different locations than the original system. Next, opening in Adobe Premiere Pro. In Adobe Premiere Pro, use File, then Import, and select the AAF file. Premiere Pro creates a new sequence matching the AAF timeline with clips, transitions, and basic effects translated to Premiere equivalents. Review the imported timeline for any unsupported effects or transitions that may need manual recreation in Premiere's editing environment. Finally, using DaVinci Resolve. Import the AAF file into DaVinci Resolve using File, then Import then AAF. Resolve reconstructs the timeline on the edit page with clip placements and basic transitions. This workflow is common when receiving sequences from Avid or Premiere for color grading in Resolve's professional color correction environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.